Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Escape from Tarkov's PvE mode. First, access the PvE mode from the main menu by selecting Offline Raid. This mode allows you to practice combat and explore maps without the risk of losing your gear. You can adjust settings like AI difficulty, the number of scavs, and the time of day. It's a fantastic way to learn extraction points and weapon handling in a low-pressure environment, preparing you for the intense online experience. Remember, nothing you find or gain here transfers to your main stash. To set up your PvE raid, first choose your preferred map from the selection screen. Next, you'll want to customize the AI behavior. You can set the difficulty from as online to impossible and even adjust the number of AI scavs you'll encounter, from none to horde. Don't forget to pick your desired time of day and weather conditions. These options allow you to tailor the experience, whether you want a casual exploration or a challenging firefight against numerous enemies. Once in a PvE raid, focus on mastering core gameplay mechanics. This is your chance to practice weapon recoil, aiming, and movement without the pressure of other players. Explore the map thoroughly to learn extraction points, common loot locations, and potential ambush spots. Experiment with various weapon builds and armor setups to find what works best for your playstyle. Since you have unlimited lives, you can engage in firefights repeatedly, refining your combat skills and tactical decision-making. PvE mode offers significant benefits, primarily as a training ground. It's perfect for new players to grasp the game's complex mechanics and for veterans to test new strategies or weapon builds. You can learn every corner of a map and practice your aim against AI without fear of losing valuable gear. However, remember that nothing you acquire or achieve in PvE mode carries over to your main character. It also doesn't fully prepare you for the unpredictable and often ruthless player-versus-player engagements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.